Get strong.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm blessed Sunday, family and friends, and welcome to Triple D TV. This is the after effect of the big snow blizzard yesterday. Triple D is getting ready to do some massive cleaning today. Massive cleaning. Check it out, my people. Check it out. All this massive snow that fall yesterday. Triple D is getting ready. Check it out, my people. Right here on Triple D TV. Welcome, welcome, and blessed Sunday from 3D family. I hope everybody is safe. Who got the snowstorm yesterday? I hope you all doing good and getting ready to dig out these vehicles. Oh my God, it's a lot of work for Triple D today, but that's part of life. When you live in the northern part of the United States, where you get snowfall, northern part, whatever you call it. This is here on Long Island, eastern part of Long Island. We got about 24 inches of snow. This is my first time outside since Friday. Stayed in all day yesterday. Check it out. I remember to like, share, and comment on Triple D videos, man. And if you have not subscribed yet, just go over there and subscribe to Triple D channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by my Earth Strong April 22nd. So man, share up the video and tell a friend about Triple D TV. Check out the view. Isn't this beautiful? Check it out. Check out the view right here on Triple D TV, man. If you're not subscribed yet, man, where you wait, fam? Yardman style. Just go over there and hit the subscribe button and hit that little bell, that little notification bell, so when I upload any videos, you're the first get to see. Check it out. Let me go out on the street here. Ooh, stop to my knee, man. Triple D. Check it out, my people. They do a little bit on the street. Snow uploaded a little bit on the street. Down my little street right here. Check it out, my people. Down a little dead end street. A lot of shoveling today. Check it out. Down the end of the block. Right here on Triple D TV, live and direct. Wow. So if you have not subscribed to Triple D TV, man, just go over there and subscribe to the channel. Trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by April 22nd. That's my Earth Strong Earth Day. So remember to like, share, comment on the video. And remember, if you're not subscribed, just hit that little subscribe button, hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell higher. Help Triple D to reach that 1,000 subscribers. Come on. Right here live and direct on Triple D TV. So my peeps, I am gonna do some shoveling and stuff like that. I'm gonna start up the snow throw. I heard on the news this morning that 2 people died so far from shoveling snow outside. So I'm gonna take my time, take my break, and get my rest. Not gonna overdo it. Triple D is not ready to check out yet. So guys, remember as I said before, Yardman style, Triple D style, your attitude will determine your altitude. So stay tuned and me see you later. Me soon forward. All right, man, you guys have a blessed Sunday. Stay warm. If you're in the cold weather, stay warm and stay blessed. Triple D's out. Take care.